In this video, we show you which settings are necessary in the communication configuration tool after you replace the faulty device. Open the communication configuration program and open the project. Click on View and Live List. Start the scan with a click on the Start Scan button. Click on the small triangles until the new device appears. In the device, click on Online Maintenance. Key in PD tag and node address as it is configured in the project. Confirm the entry with a click on Assign Device. The processing of the data in the device may take a moment. The activity can be checked by means of the message log. If the message log is not visible, click on View and Message Log before doing the live scan. As soon as the wait cursor has finished, you can close the window. Now the configuration data has to be loaded into the device. In the project, right-click on the device and then click on Download Single Device. Control the download by means of the message log. And that's it.